and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I went crazy at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, I have a whole bag full of stuff. Now this isn't all just one store. This is about 3 stores that I went to. All of a sudden the airplane has to fly above my house. But today we went to Milwaukee. I had to go to IKEA because, you know, we wanted to get some stuff for my basement, which nothing happened yet, but I wanted to get some stuff to organize it. So I wanted to go to the Dollar Tree that's near there because I've been there before and I liked it. And I looked online and they had a crafter's corner is what it's called. So I really wanted to get some stuff that I've been trying to find and my store has never had it. So I'm just gonna share with you guys what I got. I got some snacks, some craft stuff, and just a bunch of random stuff. Now the first thing I got is these Hello Panda chocolates. Benjamin loves these. There's a 4-pack in here. These were $1, which is a pretty good deal because I think you can get this at the grocery store for like $4 for either 8 or 12 of them. I cannot remember, but he loves these Hello Panda ones. So I ended up getting 2 of these. They only had 3, but we just took the 2. But he absolutely loves these, so I had to get those for Mr. Benjamin. Graham went shopping with me today, but he ended up getting the potato sticks, sweet barbecue. We've had the potato sticks, this one before, this brand I think, before. I think we did just original. They're pretty good, so he got those for him. I got some fruit punch for Mr. Benjamin. We got the juicy juice. It says it's 100% juice, but there's probably a lot of sugars in here, so it says no added sugar, but we will see. We will see. I got those for him. Now the one thing I really been trying to find at the Dollar Tree were these clamps. Now I can't remember if my store that I usually shop at had these or not, or I've seen them in the groups that I want. But I wanted to get some clamps because I plan on making some magnets. And I want to paint them, but I want to have the clamps so I'm not getting my fingers dirty and everything. So this is stuff that I can use when I am, you know, doing my craft stuff. I ended up finding more foam blocks. Now I've been to 3 or 4 different Dollar Trees, and I've been trying to find the foam blocks. I think they're a Christmas item because they're hard to find. So we went to the store today and there was one just sitting all by its lonesome, and Ben's like, "Mom, there's one," so we grabbed it. And then there was another one sitting by its lonesome, and then there was like a bunch of crap just sitting in a box, so I just kind of moved it and we found like a ton of them. I think I got like 6 of these blocks. The guy's like, "Wow, you're having some fun with these." I says, "No, I'm actually painting them." So I want to do a couple more crafts with those. So that is the reason why I got that. We found this game. I've never seen this. It's made by Hasbro. It's called Zoops. It says it twists and climbs. I don't even know what it truly does. We got to get some batteries, so don't open it. But I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, but I'm like, for $1, we'll see what it is. But it looks like it's like some kind of slinky. Wait for Dad to help you with that.
Does.
Yeah, we'll figure it out when Dad.
It can walk and climb our wall.
Yeah.
I think it's sticky.
So I bought all these for Graham, whatever ones are in our entire town. Like, I've been to pretty much every single Dollar Tree and I've been trying to find these. He absolutely loves these Harry and David Moose Crunch. So I don't know if it's a seasonal thing or they're just sold out, but I've been on a lookout for that. And trying to find everything, but he ended up grabbing, I think he grabbed 5 of them. We had to eat one on our car ride home, but he absolutely loves this stuff. So we got that. I already showed everybody that, honey. Okay. I ended up getting some canvases. I'm actually gonna do a, like, can you go watch your sister, please? I'm gonna go do. No, she's not trapped. I'm gonna go do like a DIY with something like this. So, you guys, Ben just likes to bother me and it's just like, go away. The next thing we found, which I'm super excited for, are these high C fruit punch drink things. There's 8 of them in here. I'm really hoping that you just add them to water, and I'm really hoping they taste like high C. It does say it's 0 sugar and it's 100% vitamin C. So I'm pretty excited to try this. I really want to try this and see how well it is. Otherwise, this is going to be a favorite of mine because I love fruit punch high C. Now I found this. This is the only thing they had for Cake Boss at my store. So I don't know if they're bringing in more stuff or my store, you know, but these are 3-piece silicone lid sets. Now I like, this would be perfect because I'm always like looking for a lid for these. So I didn't even open them, but I thought these would be perfect for like putting over a bowl, and I think they like stretch. They do stretch a little bit. So I thought these are kind of cool just to put over, you know, certain things of my kitchen. I mean, for $1, there's 3 different sizes. I think that's a pretty good deal. So, wanted to try that out. I have a couple Cake Boss things that I really like, but I mean, it looks like it'll fit his bowls. That I know the Dollar Tree was selling some bowls. I saw somebody haul it, but my store never has it. But I thought these would be cool, and they're dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. Sweet. Okay. I ended up getting some grass. I'm going to do some more Cricut DIYs, and I wanted some Easter grass. I was debating on if I wanted this kind or the other. I kind of regret getting this one, but you know what? I probably have some other grass around the house, so I ended up getting that. One thing I really love is the transfer paper at the Dollar Tree. I use this like crazy for my Cricut stuff. And the store that I usually shop at has been sold out for a while. And then I saw they had a whole bunch. So I grabbed a bunch because you never know. But I'm pretty much transfer tape ready. I have tons of transfer tape. So I got these, you know, just so I have them for my Cricut machine. I ended up getting these shelves. Now, I was gonna do something with these. I was gonna put these on a shelf when we get our basement figured out. I'm gonna put my Funko Pops on here. I was gonna actually zip tie them together and do maybe like something for they can stand on it. I ended up getting 3, but one of them's right at my desk because I was trying to figure it out. If those do not work the way I want it to be, then I'm going to put these in my kitchen, you know, in my spice cabinet. So I ended up doing that. Now I've got some ring holders for my phone, and I'm not going to actually use this for my phone. I heard these stick really well. So as I'm going to work on my craft area, I want to try something with these. But I was super excited. One store I went to had 0 of them, and another store had a ton. So I was excited to find that. I told you guys I was going to be making some magnets with my Cricut machine, and I ended up getting some magnets. I've been trying to find magnets like crazy, and the Dollar Tree finally had some at one store that doesn't even say it's a craft store. But there is 14 pieces in here, so I just grabbed like 5 packs because I'm like, I don't know what I will need for this craft that I want to do, but I'm like, you know what, I got them just in case, you know, I can't find them ever again, and I'd rather pay $1 for them. Now, this is something I got that I'm excited to play. It is called the 90s Trivia Challenge. It looks like it's like a card game. It says in what year was the Lion King released. It was released in 1994. And does it even say 1984? You can't even see it. Oh, it just says movies. But I am super excited to try this game. Like, so excited because I grew up in the 90s. I'm an 80s baby, but I grew up in the 90s, so I got that. I also got napkin ring holders. Now I'm actually going to make them into a paint holder. So I'm pretty excited to do that. I'm going to figure out, you know, to put these together. But they do fit the little bottles of paint. So I'm going to get my whole basement, I'm going to get my whole craft area all organized. So I'm super excited for that. So I got these. And then I got these. These were one thing I was super excited to find today, were these little caps. I've been super gluing like crazy lately, and I've been burning my hands depending on what project I'm working on. So I ended up getting these just in case, you know, in case I needed them, but they are finger protectors, so I thought these are great for what I want to do. Now I also got this. Now this is a cauldron, you know, for St. Patrick's Day. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to turn this into a Halloween cauldron. I'm going to turn it into one of the Sanderson sisters, you know, Hocus Pocus, and I think that's be kind of cool. So I ended up getting 2 of them, just in case. So I hate that. I kind of wish the Dollar Tree would sell all seasons all year long, because, you know, then if you're like, oh, I want to do that craft, but I got to wait till this holiday. Like, there's so much stuff I want to do. Like, I want to do some summer crafts, but I can't because I gotta wait for the summer stuff to come. So I wish the Dollar Tree would carry all the stuff all season long, but they don't. But I was pretty excited to get that. And then the last items I got were these Piggy Banks. Now I was gonna actually take the labels off the jars and then put my own thing on them, but I thought I've been really into saving money lately. I've been doing the $5 challenge. I've been, you know, saving all my change, so I thought maybe there's some other stuff that we can make some savings on. Ben really wants to go to Disney again, so I thought maybe we could, you know, decorate some stuff so he can get motivated to sell stuff, or not sell stuff, save stuff. So yeah. So that is everything that I got from the Dollar Tree. It wasn't like super good and crazy, but it was some good stuff that I was excited to do. I've been really wanting to do more DIYs, but I'm at a halt right now because our basement, you know, is torn apart and all my craft stuff is pretty much all packed away. So I can't do a lot of stuff until I get my basement all situated. So that could be another couple weeks before anything happens. So yes, but if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you some random other time for another Dollar Tree haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.